December 9. So, December 9 ngayon, Sabado. So, pupunta kami ngayon sa isang house ng family friend namin kasi doon gagawin ang Christmas party! Ayan. Ay, ano to? Parang lake na to ah. So, ngayon na snowy time dito ngayon sa Calgary. Yeah, ice skating place. Yan yan. Ayan, hi Daddy! Merry Christmas! What about my baby? Ho ho! Uy, napakanipis ng ano mo, ng jacket mo, Dexa. Ba't hindi mo kinuha yung parang kay ate? Oh my God! Ayan, so okay lang kasi nga hindi naman kami mag-stay sa labas. So today, pipick up namin yung in-order ko. So, papatikim namin sa kanila yung custard cake na in-order namin sa isa sa mga Filipino home-based business din. At saka yung kanilang Brazo de Mercedes. See you!
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.
Ayan, ganito ang sitwasyon namin today. Grabe ang snow dito sa banda din nila eh, no? Parang hindi nakakayod to, no? Ayan, tapos, oh, yeah, tapos na, yeah, so tapos na namin na-pick up yung aming order. So, ayan, we're heading to the party na. So, may dadaanan pa kami. Rolly me! So, dito namin pinick up yung order ni Mel. Yan, Cebuchan. Ating na kami dito. I think alas 3 na ng hapon. Ayan, ang kapal din ng snow sa kanila, oh. Ang kapal din ng snow sa kanila. Ang ganda ng tree na to sa gabi. No? Ayan, ang cute na. Mamaya na lang yan. Ayan. So, ganito na lang yung setup na ginawa ni Daddy, oh. Ala. Sige. Tulungan kita mamaya. Ayan. Ding dong! Ding dong, ding dong! Ayan pala yung may bahay. Ayan, ang ganda din ng ano ni Fel ngayon na Paskong Pasko ah. Uy Fel, namatay na ata mga tumo. Ay, maghalo-halo tayo. Uy, lamig. Ayan. Hello everyone. Iningi pa niya kamay mo eh. Hi guys, enjoy. How are you guys? Hi, Macy. Share your space to me. Wow, I love it. Enjoy, guys. Yeah, yung 3D ni Tita sa taas, ang ganda din. Oh, that's so cute. Uy, ang sarap. Polo ang aming soup today. Ayan. Linitan na namin sila, Fel. So, papakita ko yung mga ibang handa namin tonight. Ayan ang aming ginawa kanina. Ang pizza. Ayan. Merry Christmas na! Tawagin na mga kids and pray for the food! Merry Christmas 2023! Kain na! Ooh! Wow!
Yan, it's yung belly.
Uli na kayo. Pili na, pili na.
Inumin nyo muna, huwag kalimutan mga
Uy, mga
maintenance.
may maintenance dyan. Sayang lang. Ayan, kay Clash din. Pizza. Yan, gusto mo yan, Dexy? Yan, sa daddy mo. Yan. Ay! Kaya gamot sa high blood, sabi ni Ate Tamelia. Kain na. Yan. Woo! Yan. Sarap din nito. Dexa, o yan. Ayan na kay kuya, kuha na kayo. Yan. Pansit! Hi, Dexy! Merry Christmas! Kami ko nang kinain. Ito na yung soup na yun.
Masarap.
Oh, yan nga. Ito try ko nga eh.
Try mo, cauliflower.
Cauliflower na pickled. Merry Christmas, guys! Merry Christmas!
Celebrate yung mga naghiwalay.
Okay. Guess.
Number, there is a corresponding prize. Okay.
Why? Okay.
Start with
Dexa.
Datong-datong niya.
Dexa. 1 to
1 to 60.
1 to 6 T. 16. 60. 1. Choose number, Dexa. Choose. 1, 2, 3.
What's your favorite number?
What's your favorite number? Yeah.
Go.
Oh my God! Na ano siya? Na-shock! Okay, choose favorite number.
Choose a number from 1 to 60.
Any number do you like?
Any number.
Boom.
8.
One. We don't have
Oh, sorry.
Sorry!
Next.
Next!
57.
57.
Sorry! Ay, wala.
Guess. Just guess.
Guess. 1, 2. How old are you? Okay, ayaw. Okay, wala mo na. Next. Ay! We have 15. Oh my God!
Any number. Any number.
7? Ah! Ah!
25.
Ang galing ni Riley!
One.
Ah!
41.
Ah!
Go, please.
Please.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
55.
Ah!
Gabriel.
60.
No.
No.
Two.
Oh my.
Ah!
Ten.
No. Ano, free hug. Free hug. 10. Always hug. Oh my God. Pangalawa na yun ah. Dexa, you win. Nabawi mo yung pera. Ah. Ah. Okay, Riley. Ah. Ah. Up, up, up. Ah. Lower. Lower.
45.
Ah. Manalot yung... Aray ka. Pinawi. Sa inyo din lang pala napunta. Any number? Dexa, any number? 1 to 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, like that. Okay.
14.
There's no 14. Sorry.
13. 1 3. 1
1, 3. Ah.
32.
Ah. Up, up, up. Ah. Up, 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 up.
33.
Yeah.
Woo! Nicole.
54. 51.
No. No, 32. Last round. Dexa, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up. 1 to 10. Wala. Okay, Dexa. Choose. Okay, go, Dexa. Okay. Okay, okay.
More than 10.
Dexa, come on.
51.
Ah. Steven.
45.
Steven, you got $5. Yeah.
No.
No. No. 20 to 50. No. Dexy. Ah! Isa na lang. Ay, Dexy. Dexa. Last number. 20 to 50. Yeah.
Go, Dad.
Excited si Titi Erwin? Oh, Dexa, pag-isipan mo.
Yan eh, Matt.
Oo, nakadalawa siya eh. Nakadalawang hula.
Pass.
Pass. Okay. Okay. Dexa, 1 lang. 1 pa. Ano pa? 20 to 50. Okay. Go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, just say number.
Nicole, guess. Lower.
Yung hindi pa nakakuha. Guess, please. Oo. Yung hindi pa nakakuha. O, 19 to 23. O, Tita Excel, 19 to 23. Guess. Oh, guess. Paunahan na, paunahan na.
21.
Oh! Dexy, come on. Try. Yeah, 5 balls lang naman. You should try. Good, Dexa. Ah! 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 One more. Ah! Sorry, another round. Almost. Okay, ate, you try. Mga boys. Boys daw, boys. Kayo mo. Oy, $5 din ang tree lang. Come on. Yeah, it's $5 din. Come on. Go, go. Op. Yay! $5 Ate Nicole. Okay, Ate Dexy. Hi, Dexy. Ah! Wala na, wala na. Gap for $5. Ayan. Up. Wow. Up. Ah. Yay! Head gap. Yun. Ganon, Dexy. Ganon. Yeah! Ah! Ah! Sumobra pa. One more. Ah! Woo! Rap 4, rap 4. Almost, almost. Riley, you can do it. Only one round. Only one round, guys. Yeah. Up. 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 Oh, yeah. Yay! Money prize.
I-guess lang nila.
Oh, guess mo what color did Tita Fel put on the box, okay? Go. Okay. Okay, guess. Guess mo. Okay, okay. Choose.
Then put all these ones based on your guess.
Ilang gelo kay
What?
Chile?
One lang ata, one. Okay.
Arrange those
What
buttons on
first?
the
Do
box.
you think what Tita Fel first?
Good job.
Okay, okay. One more attempt. One more attempt. One more. Break lang, siya na lang magpalit. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, next. Arrange it again. Arrange it again. Ah, mali.
Hindi na lang, pag may isang pa-correct na color, bigay na lang natin.
Okay.
Right isa lang.
Ah, sige.
Dalawa.
Dalawa, Pen. Dalawa.
Dalawang 3 attempts, tapos dalawang color na.
Okay, last one.
Talagang talagang i-consider. Okay, last chance, Dexa. Okay. Turn around, Dexa. Turn around. Okay, choose. Last chance. Last chance.
Arrange it here.
Here. What first?
Okay, go.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, sige, bigyan na siya.
Dapat tanungin mo siya kung final na yung ano niya. Para may chance kung gusto niya
Palitan. Oo. Okay, Steven, you can do it.
I'm feeling the vibe. Right here.
Yes!
Okay, okay. Good job! Okay, is that your last chance? Sample! Ay, sample! Okay. Again! Wala naman, pero yung ano lang, yung timing lang. Okay. Okay, kuya.
Hindi, para may timer siguro para mag-change mind sila.
Yeah.
5 seconds.
Okay, kuya, ikaw mag-ano. Up! Ah! That's your final. One more. Is that your final? Okay.
Now, bilangan na lang 5.
4, 3. O sige, magbilang tayo, bilang tayo.
Yeah!
Up! Ah! 1, 2. Final? Is that final? 1, 2, 3. Are you sure? Ah. Yeah. Oh, yan. Sana? It's okay. Yeah. Okay. One only. One. See, come here. You see? One. Oh! Ah! Yeah! Yan. Ah! Nakakuha siya ng 20. My God! Ay, kasi first attempt pa lang eh. Alam na niya eh. Ang galing naman ni Kuya. You win! You win! Nakita doon ni Gabriel. Yeah, you try. Yeah, you try your luck. Come on. Yeah. Okay, Nicole. Okay. Okay, Nicole, you can do it. Oh! Last chance. Maubos na agad to. 2, 1. Wow, okay. Okay. One lang. Final? Okay, change. Last chance. 1, 2, 3. Aray ko! Final! Oh, last na yan. Oh, last. Yung mami niya tinabahan. One. Okay. Oh my God. Oh, final daw. One. Bawi. Laban o bawi? Laban o bawi?
Are you sure?
Ibigay mo 20! Ay! Nabangkrut tayo! Kaya meron pa naman daw. Kim! Did you play na? Hindi pa siya naka-play. Binangkrut tayo ng mga bata. Okay. Let's teach Kuya daw. Okay, you can do it, Kuya Riley. Oh!
I need to see this.
Okay, yeah. Ikaw na lang, Mami.
Because I was gonna.
No, it doesn't work.
Oh, mahina ka!
Connect the same color.
Connect the same color. Oh, two.
To connect the same color.
I told you, Gabriel.
Oh! Gabriel, wake up early. Same color.
Without touching the lines.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hindi ko din naiintindihan ko pa. Aray ko.
5,
5, 4, 2, 1. Sorry.
Fourth wall.
Okay.
Breaks fourth wall, goes over.
Okay,
next
ready? Ano ba? Oh, naisindihan mo ba ang ano niya? Ang ano niya?
Alam ko na.
If you lose, give us $5.
Okay. Let's give Ate Dexy a chance.
Okay.
Okay.
Hindi mahirap ah.
Oo nga.
It's possible?
Okay,
Okay,
next
you
time.
see how Riley do
Next
it.
time away.
Kuya can do it.
Oh.
Doy.
Ganun na, ganun
Show
siya.
Show Kuya.
Don't, ano, then the other one, you have to connect it like, okay? Okay, Dexter, you try again. Okay, Clay, you can do it. Oh! Oh! Yeah, bingo time! Ayan, bingo, bingo!
Bingo.
Bingo, Dexa! Bingo, bingo!
Oh, 66.
Bingo!
Oh, ay, me! Yes.
Oh, 66.
Oh,
66 lang. And
35.
and 35. Oh, yes. Okay, I have 35. Bingo time.
B.
What?
B. 15.
D15. Ah, I don't have.
diagonal too, and then
Yan.
any horizontal.
Uy, nanalo ka, Daddy! Asan yung pera mo? Si Daddy yung nanalo sa bingo! Ayan. Ayan. Next game! Ah?
You can win this either like this or like this.
Ah, okay. L naman ngayon. Okay, L daw.
By filling all of these.
Yeah.
Other way around. Baliktad na L.
Oh, yeah.
So it can be like this,
Oh, yeah.
this, or like this.
Yeah.
Sides.
Sides lang. Yeah, sides.
Got it? Got it?
Yeah. Okay. Dexa, you will win.
G.
Okay, G.
G. 58.
58.
Wala ka.
Wala tayo. There's nothing. Bingo, bingo! B. Dex. Wow! Dexy, 7. B7. Ano? Nawala pa, Dexy?
Guys, pabinggo na kami. Huwag na nainip mo naman na yun.
Malapit na!
Guys, kailangan namin ganito, guys. Seryoso.
Ayan, malapit na, 60. Dalawa eh. Pwede siyang 68 na lang, no? 8 tapos pa ganyan. 68 na lang.
Guys.
68. Oo, 68 na lang, no?
Oh no.
Oh.
11.
Oh, B7.
B13.
Bingo kami ni Mel. Picture. Okay, $5.
Still have 2 more chances to get. I still have 3 more chances.
$5. Okay, get your $5.
here.
Daming gift.
Yeah, si Steven naman mamimigay sa inyo. Give to Steven and then Steven will give to each family.
Sa dalawa nila.
Saglit po.
Sa yung isa kila
To do the first gift giving? Okay, go ahead.
Gabriel.
To Gabriel from Steven.
Hug.
Merry Christmas.
Dude, place.
Oh, Clay! Oh! Nakataas ang kamay niya. Oo nga. Dexa, sit down. Sit down. Everybody's giving. Wow! Thank you. Okay, Dexa, come here. Sit down here. Sorry, ang ingay ni Mother. Okay, here.
Mary Melly. Where are you?
It's okay. Representative, yeah.
To Nicole.
Nicole! Merry Christmas! Say Merry Christmas, guys!
To the Liquid family.
Yay! Woo! Thank you, Steven!
To the Avia family.
Wow! Give to Gab! Thank you!
To the Campa family.
Wow! Kamba! Ay, Diyos ko, grabe naman ng slang. Slang!
To the Torres family.
Woo!
To the Nick.
And Tito Mark family! Thank you! Woo!
And the Torres family.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Steven is done. So next family. Dexy and Dexa you want? Or Nicole? Who do you want to give gift na? Torres or Evia?
The Tor.
Ay, hindi sa akin. First daw, si Clays.
Douglas.
Yay! Thank you! Okay. Sorry, I did not do picture. Gusto mo mag-picture ka? Wala. Video lang lahat. Yeah, naka-video lang ako lahat. Kuya Steven! Yay! Yeah. Woo! Nicole! Okay. Yay! Say thank you! Okay, that's it? Okay. Okay, next, Gabriel. Last na lang kayo, gusto na? You want to last? Oh, you can go there. Okay, Dexy and Dexa na daw ang magbibigay ng regalo. Do this. Okay, to Nicole! Woo! To Riley! Yay! To Clays! Thank you! Woo! Merry Christmas! Yeah. Steven! Steven!
Gabriel.
Gabriel! Who? Sino? Tito Nick and Tito Mark. You have something for Dexy and Dexa. Ay, antara. Yan. Ah. Happy ka. Aray ko, bato ata yan. Bato ata. Okay, yeah. Sorry. Marmol ata yan eh. To Tita Mel and family. To Clays and family. Okay. And Tita Tess and family. Woo! Yeah. Okay. Oh, be careful. It's mabigat. Okay. Thank you, guys. Merry Christmas. Wow. Okay. Merry Christmas. Nicole. Thank you. to give gifts. Okay. Okay, Nicole na daw ang next. Okay, it's time for Nicole to give gift. Hindi na, sa bahay na lang. 24 kami nag-open eh. Yeah, we will do it 24, so wait, okay? Yes, Steven. Okay.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Yung puti ko nga, baka kong bilhan dyan sa ano ko eh.
Meron, nandun ata yung plastic natin. Ano sa kotse? Sorry, Dad, yung... Nandun ata sa my deck.
See? 2. Kanino yan?
Did you...
Layas na kami, nakuha namin Christmas. Salamat sa lahat. Bye.
Bye na sila. Lalayas na daw sila. Next year na lang ulit. Thank you guys for the time. Merry Christmas din. Merry Christmas. Ay, akala ko uwi na talaga kayo. Bato lang yung bigay namin sa inyo, ha? Bato yan. Kaya mabigat. Ay. Okay. So everybody is good na? Tapos na tayo? Okay, say thank you to everyone, guys. Yan. Woo!
Balutin mo ako sa liwanag ng iyong pagmamahal.
Ayan na, Sharon time! Ayan, tapos na ang aming Christmas party. Ayan, next year ulit. Happy New Year na ulit. Okay.
Advance Happy New Year.
Okay. Ayan, ang ganda. Christmas lights dito sa bahay nila, sa labas. Ito siya, ang cute. Yan, uwi na kami. Ganda din tong neighborhood nila. Maano din sila, naglalagay din sila ng magagandang Christmas decor. Ayan. Ito din ang house nila. Ayan.